Hello, hello, and thank you so much for joining me here once again. With so many birthday celebrations from January to February, I have had my share of cupcakes and sweets and all of the things I like so much. So, for this third Friday in the Lenten season, I decided to make a Niçoise salad sandwich. The word Niçoise usually designates a female inhabitant or native of the city of Nice in southern France, but a word that is often commonly used to describe the salad that's made of usually sardines or tuna, tomato, boiled eggs, and other ingredients. And as my daughter is planning a friends getaway in the mountains, I am likewise doing the same, getting ready to pack this weekend for my trip in the southern region of the United States. And although we have not received much snow this winter season in my neck of the woods, I am looking forward to warmer temperatures. In fact, the thought of wearing sandals for the next 10 days or so sounds ever so lovely right about now. And for those of you who are like myself, who have given up something for Lent, I hope your fast is going well and has offered you so far time to reflect, time to give of your time, perhaps with people who are lonely, and also helping to grow your relationship with Christ and becoming more like Him. And doesn't that look so yummy? An easy and delicious sandwich to make during the Lenten season. I hope you'll try it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening, and I'll see you soon.